Hi, I'm here to help with the last few questions. Alright, so let's look at the first one over here. The concentration of a solution of sodium chloride is given as 23.4 grams per dm cube. What does that mean is that if I have 1 liter of water here, or 1 dm cube of water, I have 23.4 grams of sodium chloride inside. Okay. Next, sodium chloride crystal can be obtained by evaporating the solution to dryness. So now, if 200 cm cube of the above solution is evaporated, what's the mass of sodium chloride obtained? So the first thing that I've noticed is that they do not want 1 liter of it, they only want 200 cm cube. So let's say, for example, if my 1 liter has 23.4 grams, so 200 cm cube will have how much? So let's take a look. So 23.4 grams per dm cube just means 1 dm cube has 23.4 grams. Now, if I only have if I have 200 cm cube, so 200 cm cube is 200 divided by 1000 dm cube, I would have 23.4 times 0.2. And that should be, let's not do some mental sums today, 23.4 times 0.2, that would be 4.68. 4.68 grams, because I'm only going to take 200 cm cube out of it. Okay, so let's look at the next one. A laboratory technician needs to prepare a solution of sodium carbonate with a concentration of 0.125 mol per dm cube. So what does 0.125 mol per dm cube means? It means that if I have 1 liter, again, I have 0.125 mol of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So if I would want to only produce 600 grams, what is the mass of sodium carbonate required? So let me use my formula again. So C equals to N equals to V equals, right? So why I use C, N, and V is because my concentration is given in mol per dm cube. So my C is 0.125 mol per dm cube. My N, I have question mark because I need the number of moles to calculate the mass. And the volume is 600 divided by 1000 dm cube. So because the way we write this is very easy to see. The formula is actually C equals to N over V. So C equals to N over V. And then I want to find N. So N equals to C times V, which is 0.125 times 600 over 1000. That would be 0.125 times 0.6, 0.075. 0.075 moles. And then what I need to do is to convert this to mass for sodium carbonate. So what I need to do is mass is equals to 0.075 times the mR of sodium carbonate, and then you get the final answer. Okay, so I won't be calculating that here. Okay, so now if 200 cm cube of water is now added to the solution in A, what would be the new concentration? So remember, we originally have 600 cm cube and then I add 200. So it's like, for example, your soup. If you add water, just plain water, the concentration will drop. But how do we calculate that? So let's take a look. So C equals to N equals to V. So what I want to calculate is the concentration. So I question mark over here. What do I already know is that the number of moles of solute sodium carbonate has to remain the same. I'm adding water. I'm not adding more solute. So over here, this must be 0.075 mole. However, the volume now changes. I originally had 600. Now I add 200. And I need to convert all of this into dm cube. So 1000. So using the formula, C equals to N over V is equals to 0.075 mole divided by 800 over 1000. And then you should get your final answer. Right? So I hope that has been helpful for you, and all the best. Bye bye.